Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6 chapter 20 chapter 19b chapter 19 and exercise 19b. Question number 4 was discussed in last video. You can see first and second I had explained, third, fourth and fifth I had given homework. Only thing is you have to just change the signs, okay, because it's subtraction, and then you have to just segregate the like terms and do the calculations. Now we are going to start question number 5. So if you'll see, question number 5 is nothing but subtraction. Method is same as question number 4. Take this from this. Means, for example, when teachers say take 6 from 10. So what do? Take 6 from 10 means you subtract 10 minus 6. Take 6 from 10. So 10 are already there, take 6 from there. Take 6 means you have to subtract this from this. Take 6 from 10. So 10 minus 6 you do. Similarly, take this polynomial from this polynomial means take means here subtractions. Okay, so remember this thing, subtraction. Same way this also. Okay, and this 5.3, it is cancelled, no need to solve it. Okay, we'll do fourth one. So first, second and fourth we will be solving, third one cancelled, it won't come for the exam also. Okay, so method is same children like question number 4, but I'll be explaining. Okay, now see, I told you take means subtract this from this, so you know what to do. From this means this should be written first. Now I will not explain this, I will not tell you this again and again. Okay, so BC minus CA plus AB minus, why minus? Because take means subtract, so minus AB plus BC minus CA. I am telling you, if you write this first by mistake, you will get wrong answer, you will get 0 marks in the exam, because your second step itself will be wrong. Okay, so do not forget, when from is there, always this should come first and minus this. Okay, this minus this. So minus, I have written this polynomial. So BC minus CA plus AB plus, so this, you know, before bracket if minus sign is there, changed inside all the signs. So minus AB became plus AB, plus BC became minus BC, and minus CA became plus CA. Then segregate like terms, BC minus BC minus CA plus CA plus AB, this plus AB. Okay, so plus minus cancel, BC minus BC 0, CA minus CA 0, because this gets cancelled, minus plus cancels. Then AB plus AB 2AB. So what is the, so 0 0 plus 2AB, final answer is 2AB. Okay, so question number, see, I have not solved second and fourth, so you have to, that's second and fourth are homework, you can share it with me. Okay, try to solve with row method or column method also will work, whatever you feel. Right, now question number 6. You will say Miss is running very fast now. Yeah, because now over one first unit test is over. Okay, so from the sum of x plus y minus 2z and 2x minus y plus z, subtract x plus y plus z. Oh, such a long question, no? Read again. From the sum of this polynomial and this polynomial means what is the first step? You have to find out the sum of this and this. From the sum of, now you have studied a plus, you have studied addition of polynomial, now you have studied subtraction also. Now in these question 6 onward questions, you have to involve addition of polynomials as well as subtraction of polynomials. Means few polynomials you have to add and then subtract from the given polynomial. Okay, so from the sum of this and this, subtract this. Means first find out sum of, it is given clearly, sum of x plus y minus 2z and 2x minus y plus z. Means you have to find first, what is the first step? First step is sum of this and this and this. Okay, and then second step is subtract. What subtract? What to subtract? From the sum of this and this, means whatever answer I will get here, From that I have to subtract this. Understand the question. For example, from the sum of 3 and 5. From the sum of, see, same question I am arranging in number form. From the sum of 3 and 5, subtract 6. So what will I do? What I'll do? I'll add 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5, I'll get 8. Then I'll subtract 6. I'll get 8 minus 6, 2. So first step is 3 plus 5, that is this and this polynomial addition, minus whatever answer will come off after adding, subtract this from that answer. So first step is sum. So I have found here sum. You can see here, children. First step, this is first step. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, minus plus y minus y 0. Since it is addition, no need to change sign. Remember this thing. 2 plus 1, 3. So final answer is 3x minus z. Okay. Now second is this I got at sum of these two polynomials. Okay. Then after getting the answer sum, then from that I have to subtract x plus y plus z. So 3x minus z. Oh, here also some. So I have got answer here 3x minus z, and here x plus z plus y I have to subtract from the answer which I have got in the first step. Since it is subtraction, I have to change the sign. So minus, this plus became minus, plus minus, plus became minus. So minus, I have to consider only these signs, changed signs. So minus y, minus 2z, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, plus 3, that is plus 2. So 2x minus 2z minus y is the final answer. Okay. So question number 7 is homework, children. Question number 8 I'll be explaining in the next video. Okay. So till that time, please complete your work, do the homeworks, very important it is, and take care.